Let me record this. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is the first lecture of our web programming, and wherein we talk about the lot of things. We have already given you the pre-class video, which has already done all of these things there. Okay, so when you come here after watching the pre-class video, you already know each and everything. Okay, there is no new things I'm going to tell. So that means when you come in a class, you will actually clear the doubts. Okay, na? So let's get started. So there is a one thing what's called a web design and development. So we should be today you go out of this class knowing what is the difference between web design and web development. Be careful, no, concentrate on the lecture. Don't see right and left. Zishan Ali, see, watch the monitor and listen carefully what I'm saying and try to learn. Don't see right or left and all that. Okay. So one is a web design and another is a web development. And in a web development, you've got a front end development and back end development. So your web development basically, which we actually are all about, is a web development. It is either the front end development or it is a back end development. Okay. So today we should be all clear with what is web design, what is development, what is front end, what is back end, and what are the languages or markup languages or languages, front end languages, clients. Can you guys hear me? There's a network glitch here. There was some network issue. Okay. All of you guys, can you hear me? Okay, there's some issue with the internet today. Can you guys hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay, yes.
Yes, sir.
G. Okay. So what I am saying is we have a web design and we have the web development. In web development, we have the front end development and we have the back end development. Keep your mics on and keep repeating what I'm saying. Okay. So what is the web design and what are the tools we require in a web design? And what is web development and a front end development? It's also called as a client side development. It's also called as a client side development, and this is called as a server side development. Okay. In a server side, what languages and what tools we need there. In front end side, what tools we need there. And if there's a web design, what tools we need there. Okay. Today we talk about these things. So firstly, I said there is a web design and web development. In web development, there are two. What are they? Just tell me.
Front end and
Front
back
end
end.
development and
Front
back
end development and
back end development.
everybody speak up. Don't stay quiet. Be in a class. Repeat what I'm saying. I'm asking you, so repeat that. हर एक माइक खोल के बोलेगा, ठीक है? किसी को माइक में शोर आएगा तो वो बंद करेगा माइक, नहीं बाकी सब बोलेंगे. So that we understand everybody is learning and everybody is with me. So this class should be interactive. This class shouldn't be like you are in a class because of attendance. You should be in a class for learning. ठीक है ना? And when I go from here, you learn that topic. Whatever I am teaching, you learn that exactly. ठीक है ना? Good. One thing I should tell you on a face that this MCA batch is the weakest batch ever I have seen. There are many students in it. We shouldn't be in a MCA, doing MCA and all. There are many students in it which do not deserve to be in the MCA batch. So having said that, that means you are now in MCA. You can't do anything about it. So, but the thing is now you have to work harder. And normally the students, MCA students, have a lot of knowledge and they are already up to the task, and they have there are many maximum, not only many, maximum students, I could say, they do not deserve to do the MCA. They are very weak and all in their concepts and all. So the moral of story is, what I'm trying to tell you is that you have to work harder. You have to come up. Whatever I'm teaching, learn that. Listen what I'm saying. Repeat that. Do repetitions. Unless and until you don't do repetitions, you learn and relearn, you will not get anything from the classes. Do you understand? So watch pre-class videos. Be attentive in a class. Then watch the after class the video on a YouTube. Otherwise, you will not be perfect in what you are doing. And there is no need to download and all. Maximum times people say, "Well, download laptop, laptop, it will never come." You have today the 4G. If you have pack left, put up this camera, phone in front of you, headphones there. You are taking a tea. Put the video on a YouTube and put it on a double X speed. अगर 3 मिनट नहीं होनी मोकले 15 मिनट अद बन पता टफ ना बासी बोरिंग यह मगर थवन स्पीड कर इंक्रीज तथा यूट्यूब स्पीड इंक्रीज सो उससे जल्दी हो जाएगा. So unless and until you don't feed your brain constantly, you will not be able to cope up. Do you understand? Otherwise, if you are weakest and you are working with me, you are dedicated, you have that commitment and loyalty, okay, and if you have that thing in you, you are working with me, you are constantly working at your home and then doing the task, whatever I am saying, then if you are the weakest of all, you can still be the best student, you can still do the wonders in the subject. Do you understand? But if you are not doing constant work, it will not help you. If you work constantly, har do chuti karan mehnat, constant consistency animals, and you will all get it. And this is an easy subject. You will say exam kari ki is dimuhat exam preparation karne zorat kihin magar teli yes sabdi teli, and you will have a fun in this class. Ishu mazdar subject athlag maz parnas magar teli yel tui mehnat regular karan chu ठीक है ना. अगर तु 4 दिन की चांदनी फिर काली रात करान छु तेले आइंदे ना किहिन तो समझ में कथि मा. You are all good students in terms of your behavior and in terms of you are very lovely students, magar weak chu, you are very weak. Maximum of your students are weak. Even you taimas asal bachu su chu varia weak. Man sari khud weak chun kathi. Agar taimas ka topper chu na panis panas mana su chu varia weak student. तो समझ में तो मगर ये वीकनेस बरकरार थवन कह यह दूर करें. सह कित गई दूर ये मेहनत करो इकोटे ना इकोटे परो करो मेहनत तेली अन. And it is you who guys have to read and you guys have to retain in your brain कि क्या वनान छुस. The constant work च करें, notes च बनावें. Do you understand what I'm saying? Sorry parnaun म्योन लगने कुनी तो तामनु तुई motivated है. If you are not motivated, then it will be of no use. You guys sorry. Got like. So be motivated, be on your toes, and it's a lovely subject. You can make a career in it, and you can say something tomorrow ke baas is computer science student kaise machine cheez taga. At least you can show these things. ठीक है? ये कहाँ तो outside world from the computer science outside world दुचना तो प्रसाद कहाँ पर इस तो तशो तागा. ताइजवानी मिश्तागा Java, मिश्तागा C, मिश्तागा हो. ठीक है? ताइजवानी precisely ये जैसे web designing development तागा. Do you know this? Do you know Photoshop? Do you know HTMLs and all? So it makes you little different than other students. मगर अगर तुम में ये subject नहीं casual, ठीक है? Class में ये तो just for a class purpose में attendance बोल बिहित आजन और मुझ में बिहुनी आजन तो tension फायदे कहीं. So यानी ऐसा समझो every girl in this class I'm telling you, listen मैं story की तरह ही पढ़ाऊंगा. Story जैसे होती है ना, पता ये तम पता ये कैरेक्टर पता ये कैरेक्टर इसी याद था उन मगर तो कैसी गोट है याद तो कैसी आराम सान तगी तो मगर अगर तु रिटेन करान छु किहिन तु कॉपी बनावा किहिन तु बैकअप पन्निस पानस दिवा किहिन तु रिकैप करान किहिन कैसी बपकना ब्रो ब्रो ये बाइस पता तेल खबर क्या टफ सब्जेक्ट ना अगर तु मैं से इकोटे मेहनत से करा इकोटे पकान से ब्रो 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 तो बासी वाला easy subject मजेदार subject अति त्यो लुतुफ कथी छ as if ki it is like going to the picnic with me ठीक है you understand what I'm saying so make copies make notes and learn carefully so I am saying web design and web development and today we want to know about what languages we are using and if you could see here in this picture in a design side I am not seeing any like HTML any language or anything I am seeing a brush a pencil a something a light colors this is a design in design we do not use any language we use softwares which is used for animation or colors and all like Photoshop Illustrator and all those things जो फोटोशॉप वगैरह है इसलिए आप कोई बहुत सारी बताएंगे भाई हमें वेब डिजाइन पढ़े फोटोशॉप क्यों पढ़ रहे हैं because web design means Photoshop it means the aesthetic look the feel look and feel of the website क्योंकि पहले डिजाइनर ही आता है जो कि काम करता है ठीक है डेवलपमेंट उसके बाद होती है और डेवलपमेंट के दो हिस्से हैं as you could see on this side there is a HTML and CSS and then there is JavaScript and then on this side you see there's a jQuery there's PHP there is Ruby यिम बासान जो किस खबर क्या लैंग्वेजेस मगर यिम गसन सारी क्लियर अप ये बन ABCD पत ठीक है it is beginning पर पढ़ो फिलहाल चुस बनाब अगर तो साइट बनावन वेबसाइट छ बनावन क्या बनावन गोड छ गसन वो डिजाइनरस निश केम गसन इथ कन ऐसे अगर मकान गोड बनावन छ मकान बनावन ब्रो गसन गोड आर्किटेक्टस निश आर्किटेक्ट छ बनावन नक्श अमि मकान छना बनावा he makes the design of your house the architect is that actual house no that's only a design it will tell you each and everything of it ki it will be this thing it will be here will be kitchen here will be that thing here will be that thing and but in here in the web design part we just make the dummy of that site we just do analysis we just do all the coloring we show them like if the architect is too good you know today's architect they only make those graphs and all charts of graph and all about your house lekin the good architects are they make the designs in such a manner in the computer and they print the color form that your house will look like this it will the wall have this color this roof has this color the tin will be of this color there will be garden of green like this and all so now you can tell him no I want this thing I mean flowers here I want that here I want this part here I want here swimming pool and all that so he can make it changes but that is not actual house that is only how your house will look like now tomorrow the people come they build that house as per the design this is exactly what is web design and development in web design we are not creating a website rather we are creating the dummy of that website using the Photoshop using the Illustrator and the coloring and all the logo design and we have a lots and lots of things the color and feel and everything of that design of that website then we may show that to the client that do you like this website like this there will be all those buttons and all but those buttons will not be working they will be only look and feel of that site it will not even be clickable buttons and all sometimes it could be clickable button it will only be like a picture that your website front page will be like this then will be like that and we will be creating that all in a Photoshop do you understand and then we give that design to the actual developers now developers are two types either they will be the client side developer or they will be the back end developer okay for example you open up a site on your for example this is an examination form on the Islamic College site now there are on the form there are many text boxes buttons and all so itan bar name itan bar email itan bar roll number itan bar ye pad par itan ye pad bar itan ho pad karo submit button theek hai it is all in your web browser. It is coming where? In your web browser. But if you press the submit button, what will happen? It will go to the, it will submit this form. Where it will it be in your browser? Open up the mics, talk with me. Will it be in your browser?
No, it will be in database.
It will be in a database. Very good. Where in the database? Database will be in a server. That
Like
server is a computers inside the Islamic College, some room, server room, where that will stay. So that thing is called a backend. That thing is called a backend. And what is coming in your browser is the front end. For example, I want to create an email. I open up the Gmail or Hotmail or whatever live mail, and it is giving me, it is running in my browser of the phone. Okay. And I'm filling the data in it. When I say save it or submit it, where it will go? It will go into the server of that Gmail. Now that server of that Gmail, if you do programming on that, okay, you create the database, you have a language there which manipulates the data and all, that will be called a backend development. But if you are creating this email form where there are many text boxes and password के लिए है, email कौन सा रखोगे वगैरह वगैरह वो चीजें, that will be the client side. This is the client side, यानी कि browser जो कि user देखता है, जो user side आपके होता है, that's called client side. Okay, so that is why I said it's a client side development, the web development. And there you will use firstly the HTML, okay, hypertext markup language. What will the HTML do? It is not a, it's just a markup. Markup means it will give you some buttons. You can create a buttons, you can create the text boxes, you can create a text, okay. And then there is a CSS, cascading style sheets, which will make a style out of that. That will give different font and all, beautiful fonts and all that, and coloring and all. Do you understand? But when we give this designer, we are trying to design it, we will be designing it as per the, we are developing it, sorry, we're developing it as per the design. The web designers have given us those things. Now I am trying to develop it. First, what I will develop is, I will develop a front page, the client side page, which will be like, name, text box, email text box, contact text box, वगैरह वगैरह इमें जरूरत छ, ठीक है? ये कर बे कथ मस HTML मस पत कर बे CSS, मगर ये बटन कर बे क्लिक, अगर बे बटन क्लिक कर, ये गछ ना कह काम करूं, अगर बे बटन कर क्लिक, मैं कर सबमिट बटन पर क्लिक, ये गछ ना ये डेटा न्यून, ये गछ ना कह काम करूं. For example, मैं शो मल्टी पेज वेबसाइट, ये शो आख पेज, पछेतन ये बटन ये अगर मैं यहाँ पर क्लिक कर इन्हीं हुत फला इंसाइट पे टैस, ये इनमें में फंक्शनैलिटी आ, ये इनमें आत क्या? फंक्शनैलिटी कथ, पानी साइट ये इनमें फंक्शनैलिटी, ये गैस ना HTML से ना गैस CSS से, HTML दी चाहिए बटन बने हुए, CSS दियस कलरिंग वलरिंग करित, फॉन्ट चेंज करित, आया समझ? मगर एम्पैथी भी क्लिक करने पर क्या आ गया? ठीक, ये फंक्शनैलिटी उसमें मिसमस आने, एमएस साइट में जो मैं फंक्शनैलिटी इसके ऊपर लाऊंगा, it will be done by the JavaScript. That is the JS here, JavaScript. It is not Java language, it is a JavaScript. Okay, do you understand? So JavaScript cover guys, it will be on client side. It will add functionality to your site. For example, मेरे पास एक शॉप है, मैंने आपसे उसमें भी वीडियो में एग्जांपल दिए हैं, जो आप अपनी वीडियो अगर देखोगे, एक शॉप है, हम चाहते हैं कि मेरी शॉप का एडवर्टीजमेंट हो, वो चढ़े नेट के ऊपर और एडवर्टीजमेंट हो. बाकी ऑनलाइन मैं शॉपिंग कार्ट नहीं बनाऊंगा, यानी कि मैं ऑनलाइन कोई मुझे बोलेगा कि मेरे को भेजो, वो नहीं है मेरे को प्रॉब्लम. मुझे सिर्फ इतना है कि मुझे दिखाना है लोगों को कि मेरा शॉप है फलानी जगह, उसमें क्या क्या प्रोडक्ट्स हैं. तो पहले मैं डिजाइनर के पास जाऊंगा, वो फोटोशॉप में मुझे वो बना के देगा, उसकी साइट लुक एंड फील, एस्थेटिक्स एंड ऑल दैट. उसके बाद मैं सेट्स पे होके बोलूंगा डेवलपर को, फ्रंट एंड डेवलपर को कि आप बनाओ इसको. Front end developer will use HTML and CSS to design those buttons and all the pictures and have nothing products and all. Picture दिखाएगा, product दिखाएगा, क्या क्या मेरे पास है. मगर मैं वहाँ शायद functionality की है. मैं चाहिए विशेष static site, ये सिर्फ हाँ वही नहीं होता. वो छुस दपान ना या गोस करन काम अम पत गोस मैं अगर मैं ईमेलस पे क्लिक गो गोस मैं ईमेल गसुन क्रिएट करूँ अगर मैं यथ पे क्लिक गो गोस ये करूँ गो मैं फंक्शनैलिटी ती पन्ने साइट मैं आ साइट क्या फंक्शनैलिटी तेल फंक्शनैलिटी अन तेल मैं जावा स्क्रिप्ट इस्तेमाल करूँ then I have to use what Java script समझ आया so Java script will give what because HTML and CSS will give you a dead site it will have a nice look and feel and all but nothing is happening ठीक है just static site मगर अगर भी ऐसा जो functionality आत मज आन then I have to use what Java script बोलो मेरे साथ क्या करना चाहिए फिर लेकिन अब मैं कहता हूं कि नहीं भाई साहब आजकल कोविड वगैरह है मेरी जो दुकान है मुझे चाहिए ये कि मैं बेचूंगा भी इसी पे अब मुझे लोग ऑर्डर करने चाहिए मैं उसको दूंगा वहीं अगर लोग करन ऑर्डर आई हैव टू स्टोर दोज ऑर्डर्स छुना बेचना वहीं तिम ऑर्डर थमिन स्टोर क्या थमिन समझ आई वहां पछना में तिम सर्व ति करन तिम ऑर्डर्स पछ में तिमन बिलिंग ति करन वगैरह वगैरह सोरी चीज करन तुन पद याद थवन केम दित पोंस केमिस पोंस बकाया केमिस पे ऑन डिलीवरी किसको किसने पे किया वगैरह वगैरह वो सारी चीजें तो अब क्या मसला है अब मुझे डेटाबेस भी बनाना है नाउ आई हैव टू क्रिएट अ डेटाबेस डू यू अंडरस्टैंड सो जो ये डेटाबेस मैं क्रिएट करूंगा मैं अब जाऊंगा बैक एंड पे किस पे सो वहां पे डेटाबेस क्रिएट करना है उसके लिए मेरे को एसक्यूएल लगेगा एसक्यूएल सर्वर कौन सा होगा जो डेटाबेस की लैंग्वेज है जो डेटाबेस क्रिएट करके देगी ओरेकल कर रहे हो इस्तेमाल क्या कर रहे हो जो भी है आपके पास और मुझे बैकएंड लैंग्वेज लगेगी जो कि बैकएंड पे काम करेगी फिर जैसे ऑर्डर आ गया अब उस ऑर्डर को सर्व करना है अब ये कैसे करूंगा मैं वो बैकएंड पे काम हो रहा है ना डेटाबेस के ऊपर काम वो कौन सी लैंग्वेज करेगी डेटाबेस काम इट विल बी लाइक PHP और रूबी ठीक है there are couple of languages I am saying there are many I am saying just one then there is a PHP or Ruby they work on the back end they work on where back end ठीक है समझ आ रहा है सो कुल मिला के अगर मैं आपको बोल रहा हूं न्यू साइट that if firstly you want to design your site how will you design your site Anji using the Photoshop Illustrator and there are many more logo designer and all जिसमें आप अपनी look and feel जिसमें आप aesthetic जो आपकी look है उसके ऊपर आप काम करोगे then you give this site to the web designer web developer and who will first work on web developer that's a front end developer now who is front end developer who knows HTML and firstly CSS now what will happen Samina Jafar what will you create using HTML and CSS
The front page, client side.
mashallah very good you will use make a front page for example there is a page like this which has text boxes I say here is name here is class here is roll number
Radio button.
there is radio buttons there are many buttons and then there is a submit button and all that but as per Bashir if you want a functionality of this site now this should not be a dead site rather it should do something okay then you will
Yes,
use
sir.
what
JS
JavaScript
Yes, sir.
get the
Functionality.
functionality of the site in a simple way समझ आए सारी now Azan I want कि भाई साहब मेरे को डेटाबेस भी क्रिएट होना चाहिए ओके और मैं मुझे अब ये जो फ्रंट एंड ये खाली फ्रंट एंड नहीं है बल्कि ये सारा ये लेके डेटा लेती है बैक एंड सर्वर में ओके so I should say back end development and that is called the server side and this was called as a client side means something which works which is shown to the client or the people like us and anybody who want to interact with it, and using a web browser, which will work in a web browser. So who will render the HTML and CSS? It is a web browser. Like you have the compilers who will create, render your code. There we say compiling, here we say rendering. Who will render the HTML and CSS? The web browser. Web browser has a rendering engine. Very good. And your JS is also working in a web browser. Okay. I will discuss more about it to make it clearer day in and day out. And the backside, we have which languages we have?
PHP
or Ruby. Okay.
yes sir.
Right now in our syllabus there is PHP. And if you go in a company, then you are either a web designer, or you are a web front-end developer, or you are a back-end developer. But if you know all of those things, then you are called as full stack developer.
Stack developer.
You are a full stack developer. Does it make sense what I'm saying?
Yes sir, completely.
Okay.
Yes sir.
So this is what I told you. This is in that video also, and here you can read also that you want a color scheme, layout, and all. Then there are two designs. There's a UI and UX, user interface and user experience. User interfaces, you create a user interface. जो भी बताया हमने front end का बनाएंगे ना वो page वगैरह. लेकिन UX में क्या होता है वो user experience development. वहाँ पे आप ये भी देखते हो कि you do analysis. जैसे for example मारुति है, उनकी मारुति 800 थी. ठीक है. अब जो यूएक्स डिजाइनर होते हैं वो कहते हैं कि भाई अभी ट्रेंड चल रही है हुंडई की, वो थोड़े से ट्रेंडी गाड़ियां बना रहे हैं. तो यूएक्स वाले उनको बोल रहे हैं कि वो एनालिसिस कर रहे हैं कि भाई ट्रेंड क्या चल रही है. तो वो उन्होंने आल्टो बना दी. आल्टो वही 800 है लेकिन उसकी लुक एंड फील चेंज कर दी. बाकी तो वही है, सेम मारुति 800, कोई चेंज, इंजन भी वही, हर एक चीज वही, लुक एंड फील चेंज. क्यों? क्योंकि यूएक्स डिजाइनर उनको बोल रहे हैं कि भाई आजकल ये ट्रेंड है. आज चल इस लाइट के आज जैसे लाइट असन थोड़ा सा मुक टाइप. ठीक है. आई मीन से सोद लाइट छन चला. यू अंडरस्टैंड? सो आसना ये अगर ते हॉलीवुड हीरो बनूं छ ते कसी चोट आसन तेल होल. सो अगर चोट होल छ यू बिकम अ हॉलीवुड हीरो. डू यू अंडरस्टैंड? सो आज छन सोद चला मतलब ट्रेंड पे कुछ. जैसे आपका नोकिया फोन है, उन्होंने एंड्रॉइड की ट्रेंड अपना ही नहीं, नोकिया बेस्ट फोन था, उनका बिजनेस ही खत्म हो गया. Because they don't go by the trend. So UX designer will see the trend कि आजकल कौन से कलर चलते हैं, लुक एंड फील कैसी चलती है, तो वैसा ही काम करेंगे. ठीक है ना. लेकिन वेब डिजाइन इज ऑल अबाउट द डिजाइन. फिर वो वेब डिजाइनर जो होते हैं वो वायर फ्रेम्स बनाते हैं, मॉकअप्स करते हैं, जिसमें वायर फ्रेम में क्या करते हैं वो टेस्टिंग करते हैं अपने साइट की क्लाइंट को लेकर, वो बनाते हैं वो सारी चीजें और फिर क्लाइंट को दिखाते हैं कि भाई इसमें आप में कोई चेंज तो नहीं चाहिए, क्योंकि इससे पहले कि वो बनाई जाए फिर बाद में जरूरत सो गैसे मुश्किल क्या पता तमो बनोमुत मेहनत कर बनावान डिजाइन फोटोशॉपस मज. ठीक है. हेको अत चेंज कर बिकॉज वी आर नॉट एक्चुअली कोडिंग एट ऑल. यू विल रीड दीज ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स. सो देयर इज एन आइडिया. दिस इज आई थिंक बीसीए वालों को शायद मैंने पढ़ाया था, किसको पढ़ाया था, एमसीए वालों को पढ़ाया था, उसी का ही है ये आइडिया. आपके पास है साइट का, आप डिजाइनर को दोगे. ठीक है. वेब डिजाइनर आपको डिजाइन खड़ा करके देगा, चकाचौंध कलरिंग एंड ऑल दोस लिपस्टिक मेथड्स. पता ही योर डेवलपर कुछ. सो डेवलपर बनाए आस्ती. ठीक है. वन सो फ्रंट गोड बनाए फ्रंट एंड डेवलपर. पत बन अगर तो बैक एंड छुन कहीं तेल छुन जरूरत, नत अगर बैक एंड जरूरत तेल बन बैक एंड डेवलपर कर पते बनाए पते बेई तक. ठीक है. पत बनाए सो क्लाइंट सर्वर साइड. Now there are web designers and there are graphic designers. Okay, the graphic designers are which only know about the graphical like Photoshops and all. लेकिन जो web designers होते हैं वो उनको HTML CSS भी आती है, उनको पता होता है कि कोड कैसे करेगा कल इसमें. यानी कि मुझे Photoshop में बटन्स बनाने हैं ना इसके, लेकिन HTML CSS अगर आपको पता नहीं होगी, सेशन पता है कि पगा कितने बनी फ्रंट एंड डेवलपर कितने बनाए हुए, you will not be able to make it perfectly. But if you have a knowledge about the HTML and CSS also, your design will be better because you know कि पगा कितने बनी कोड उसमें, what are the capabilities of code. That's why web designers are better than graphic designers only make those logos and all. but web designers know about the HTML and CSS also. That is why we say, I call him the coding वाले भाई साहब, कि वेब डिजाइनर को खाली डिजाइन की चीजें नहीं पता, उसको HTML CSS जावास्क्रिप्ट पता होती है, और वो करता तो इस्तेमाल फोटोशॉप ही है, लेकिन उसको नॉलेज इधर की भी होती है, ताकि वो प्रॉपरली उसको पता है कि काम कैसे होगा कल जाके, ठीक है। अगर खुद नहीं कर रहा वो HTML CSS से काम, ये तो फोटोशॉप ही इस्तेमाल कर रहा है, लेकिन he has the knowledge of that, he understands कि वो कल कैसे बनेगा ये। लेकिन ग्राफिक डिजाइनर जो है उनको पास they are like a makeup artist, this is what I wrote here, makeup artist, they only know about those animation softwares and all, they don't know about, it could be anybody, not non-computer science guy, okay, who are designing, like they create logos, they create, they're expert in Photoshop, Illustrators and other Maya or whatever. Okay, we have less than 1 minute left. I will stop here. Let me take one screenshot. We'll have 5 minutes break and then we come back to the next class. Okay. तो 21 बजे हूँ क्लास 12 बजे होता है ना? Yes. Take 5 minutes break and come back. Let me take one screenshot here. Everybody look to the screen. Print screen. Safia, look on the screen. I'm seeing your बाजू दिख रही है. Face दिखाओ ना अपना यार. Safia, show us your. Yes.
इधर आ रहा है?